Does TikTok save live videos? The answer is yes. So here I'm gonna show you how you can check your previous live streams on TikTok. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to your profile. Now tap the hamburger menu. Then from the settings on privacy, go to account. And if you're using a personal account, the first thing you have to need to switch to a business account. So for that, you just have to go through like this way. And once your account is switched, just go to your profile, then tap the hamburger menu again. Now select business suite. And from the analytics section, you will find the live option. Now tap live center and here you will see all the live analytics. And now from this section, you will get the live stream and here you can get more recent live, most diamond earned and most viewed live from here. You can also go to live recordings to see all of your previous live streams. So the most important notes you should remind it that TikTok only keep live recordings for 30 days. So make sure you check them within this period. After that, the video will no longer be available. And that's it from here. Even if you don't have any recent lives, this is how you can access your live analytics and recordings directly on TikTok. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.